What an incredible morning. It's finally getting warm again and I'm out here in the sun, and I want to tell you about something I'm organizing on February 27. It's an event called Marketing Trends for 2019, and it's going to cover the latest marketing and social media trends, what is working in 2019, what's changing, what things are not working anymore, what are new opportunities, and will really help you to up your game. The problem I see is that a lot of people, they're not even up to date with 2018 changes. They sometimes are still following advice that was good in 2017, 2016, heck, some people even 10 years ago. That what you find online when you're doing some research and you're looking for what can I do on LinkedIn, how can I succeed on YouTube, how can I make it work on Facebook, a lot of the information is sometimes 5 years old, 7 years old. So there's a lot of misinformation out there in the world. This event will really help you to get everything up to date with the latest trends, every social media network, everything that's going on technology-wise, business-wise, marketing-wise. We have two amazing partnerships which are supporting us at the event. We have General Assembly, who's currently supplying us with this amazing venue space. And then we're having Fiverr, who's currently supporting us with drinks and food for the event, so you're not going to go hungry. And best of all, we have a really cool networking session at the end, so you can mingle with other people from the different community space, learn, get to know networking, partnerships, what's going on. Because it's going to be a big trend, collaborations for 2019. So it's no longer working to do it all by yourself. We have to build strong team partnerships with people who can support each other and make this work. So if you want to join, the link is in the description below. You can also go to timq.co/2019 to get your ticket. I'm going to put the link over here on the description. And I'm looking forward to seeing you. Let me know in the comments below if you can make it. And yeah, see you soon.